The perfect blend of power, precision, and speed in digital convenience. The Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer. Equipped with a high-performance 500-watt motor, this digital stand mixer powers through even the heaviest of mixing jobs. With its large 5.5-quart capacity bowl, 12 speed settings, 3 programmed recipe functions, which includes 7 tasks. It all starts with the turn of the digital LED dial to start creating in the kitchen. With a dough hook, set the stand mixer to create delicious homemade breads and pizza easily as the pre-programmed function does the mixing and kneading for you. Attach the flat mixing paddle and turn the dial to the mixing setting. First, add your dry ingredients and turn the dial to dry ingredient mixing. Once the countdown timer on the LED dial is complete, set dry ingredients aside to reserve. Add your wet ingredients and turn the LED dial to creaming. Add your dry ingredients to continue the mixing process. The automatic pre-programmed countdown timer will beep once mixing is complete. Use the chef's whisk attachment and pre-program the unit to the whisking function to create creamy, homemade whipped cream in minutes. Attach the splash guard with pour spout for maximum versatility and minimal mess. Use the manual mode to customize your desired speed settings. Die-cast housing provides superior durability and commercial-style mixing for today's everyday kitchen. The tilt-back head allows easy access to the mixing bowl, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer.
Kenwood have created a cutting-edge cooking experience with the new Cooking Chef. And one of the ways they've achieved this is by adding preset recipe programs to this extraordinary machine. There's a wide range of automated recipes available, covering every culinary creation imaginable. You are simply spoiled for choice. The 24 preset programs are found on the user interface under the menu button. Intuitive to use, you simply click on the wheel to find the one for you. Whether you're after a quick and easy 30-minute meal or want to try something new, it is all here at the touch of a button. With power ranging from 125 watts to 1.5 kilowatts, your chosen meal can be slow-cooked, steamed, boiled, or fried. The program will automatically adjust the power, change the temperature, and regulate the stir intervals. With the preset programs, you will easily master all recipes from patisseries to crowd-pleasing casseroles. Work your way through all the savoury options in the main meals, such as risotto, curry, stir-fries and lasagna. Or in the sweet section, make delicious desserts, delicate sauces or fresh dough. And even impress the kids with your quick popcorn and pastries. The preset programs make the whole cooking experience more instinctive and stress-free. You're able to relax and enjoy the art of cooking to the full, as well as impress your guests with a range of exquisite meals that will be admired and remembered.
Introducing our best performing commercial stand mixer ever, the all-new KitchenAid commercial stand mixer, designed with chefs in mind.
We do work with the best ingredients and best equipment, so providing our students everything they need to themselves reach excellence. We use the KitchenAid mixer every day. This is the typical small piece of equipment that you need at all time.
Cool. See how it's kind of tearing like that?
Chefs are not gentle with the pieces of equipment, so we do need very strong pieces of equipment. The whip shape is what we're looking for the perfect whip. You have such a shape that you can whip a smaller amount of egg white and a larger amount, and it will still give you the perfect end result. What I love about this bowl is this new shape. Very easy to grab, this open-ended handle, very easy to stack for storage. Finally, you have a piece of equipment that it's designed with professional, by professional, for professionals.
The KitchenAid Commercial Stand Mixer, helping chefs create great cuisine. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Have the best of both worlds with the combination hand and stand mixing options you get with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The mixer is easily removed from the base, giving you a hand mixer for easy tasks or a stand mixer for bigger jobs. Traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks are all included. 290 watts of peak power and 6 speeds, including the quick burst button, make mixing easy. The Shift and Stir bowl feature lets you shift the included 4-quart stainless steel bowl from side to side as it turns for more thorough mixing. So mix things up with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.